times do I have to tell you? Oh, boy. This is my house, I tell you.
Oh, are they fighting?
Let's go.
Stop making a hole in my tree.
Hey, Squirrel, what's going on?
Oh, the little pheasants. I'm so glad to see you guys. This tree here is mine, but the woodpecker keeps saying that it's his. That is not true. I started building my house here first.
Squirrel, how about looking for another tree?
Yeah, the woodpecker says that he came first.
How can you say that to me? Oh, I don't want to move to another tree. I love this birch. It's awesome. Didn't you hear your friend? Go find another tree. Never. Never. I like this tree here.
Or perhaps you could share this tree together.
No way!
Oh, what should we do?
The one who cracks open this hard walnut gets to stay in this tree. How about that?
That's a great idea. I'm in. Okay, you first. All right. I'm really good at cracking, you know. Here we go.
Oh, wow. Go, woodpecker, go! What's wrong, Squirrel?
It's almost open.
It's my turn now. I'll crack it. That's not fair. It's not over yet. And...
The nut is open!
Yes, I won! The tree is mine now. Mine! That's not fair. It doesn't count. Do it again. No. Didn't I just crack the walnut?
You cracked it, but
the woodpecker...
Hey, did you hear that? They say that I opened the walnut. So you go and find yourself another tree. Fine! Oh, I'm leaving. Have fun without me.
Woodpecker!
Yay! Woohoo! Now this cool tree is mine. I'm the happiest squirrel in the world.
Squirrel! What's that hole there?
What? That. It's the woodpecker's house. But since this tree is now mine, the house is mine too. Let's have a look. Wow. How cozy! I'll bring my acorns. What? I can't get my head out!
What's wrong, Squirrel?
My head is stuck in here!
Oh no, what should we do?
Let's help him out.
Okay.
I'll count from 1, you pull on 3, okay?
Quick, Chip! I can't hold it for too long.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Mom!
What are you doing? The squirrel is stuck in the woodpecker's house.
We kept pulling and pulling, but it didn't work.
Get me out!
We'd better ask the woodpecker, as it's him who's made that hole.
Peckety-peck-peck. No way! I'm not gonna help the squirrel!
Come on, just this one time, please.
Okay, fine. Just this one time.
Yay!
No. How's it going? Woodpecker, you came to help me. So I'll show you what I can do.
Squirrel, are you okay?
I'm out! I guess I'm done here. Wait! You can't just go like that. Please stay with me. Let's share the tree.
By any chance, have you seen my persimmon? Persimmon?
I'm talking about the one persimmon we had left in our tree. It was gone when I came back from my walk. It was such a large and ripe persimmon.
Oh dear, I'm so sorry.
Ripe persimmon? It was the only one left?
Mrs. Magpie, I'll look for it with you.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Flora.
Children, I'm going with Mrs. Magpie to help her look.
Do you think our persimmon could belong to Mrs. Magpie?
Oh no, you guys! I think this is the persimmon Mrs. Magpie is looking for.
Let's put it back quickly before she figures it out.
Let's go!
Let's go!
But it's so high.
How do we get it up there? We have to put it back, but it looks impossible.
I'll do this and... ta-da! See, it's a hook. Huh?
Wow, let's hang it on the tree.
Just a little more. Tra-la-la-la. Huh?
Hey, little pheasant!
Whoa!
Huh? Wait a sec. Hey guys, isn't this Mrs. Magpie's persimmon?
Yes, it is. But we didn't know it was hers when we picked it.
And we're trying to put it back, but the tree is way too high. Oh, I see. Well, I'll help you guys.
Huh?
Really? Sure. But only on one condition.
But what condition?
Well, you see, I just need one bite of this persimmon before putting it back.
No way!
All right, fine. Okay, Squirrel. Here, grab the persimmon. Got it.
Oh, my head.
Children? What are you all doing here?
Hey, isn't this my persimmon? It was here all along.
Oh, this is the one you were looking for?
Mommy, we have something to say.
Actually, Mrs. Magpie, we sort of picked your persimmon.
We promised we didn't know it was yours.
And we were really trying to put it back.
But no matter what we do, we can't get it back up there.
I understand. It was a completely honest mistake.
Oh, wow! So it's okay?
We all make mistakes sometimes. But to be good children, you just need to tell the truth.
All right. We will tell the truth from now on. Mommy! We're still hungry!
Oh my, I completely forgot. Mommy's coming to feed you, darlings. Oh, but would you children like some persimmon too?
Yes!
Here, now you can all share some.
Wow! Really?
I want some of that.
Thank you, Mrs. Magpie.
You shouldn't wander around late at night, kid. So this is your house, huh?
Yes, but who are you?
I'm the guardian of the forest, saving animals in danger.
A guardian? Wow, that's cool!
I'm telling you, he was really awesome.
Well, what does he look like?
He has huge, round, shiny eyes. And And, yeah, his wings were this big. Oh, and,
Are you talking about Mr. Owl?
Mr. Owl? But where can we meet Mr. Owl?
Over there. There is an old Zelkova tree. That's Mr. Owl's house.
Mr. Owl! Mr. Owl! Where are you?
Oh, the little pheasants! Why are they here? I better find a better place.
Where are you?
Hey, squirrel! Hey, why are you following me?
Did you see Mr. Owl? Mom said he lives in the Zelkova, but we can't find him.
Mr. Owl. He may be inside that hole. Have you checked it?
Oh, no.
Oh, gosh. I'll go check then. Someone's here!
Is that Mr. Owl?
I'm not sure. I'll ask him. Let me see. Hello? Excuse me? Say something. He's not moving at all. I don't know what else to do. You'd better check yourself.
Right. Well, let's go up and check. Okay, let's do it.
What? Are you really coming up? It's not easy to climb up a tree for birds.
Well, we can do it too. Please help us!
Oh,
Mommy! Whoa! We're flying! Mr. Owl, you came to help us again.
Of course, I'm the guardian, responsible for the safety in the forest.
Wow! Bravo, Mr. Owl! Mom! Mr. Owl saved us again.
Oh, really? Is everyone all right?
Yes!
Thank you so much, Mr. Owl.
Oh, you're welcome. That's the guardian's responsibility. Now, good day.
Thank you, Mr. Owl.
Take care.
Goodbye, Mr. Owl.
Oh, dear. You okay? Oh, you need to be careful, little one.
Oh, thank you, Granny.
That's okay.
Excuse me, but who are you?
Oh, well, I'm Granny Wagtail. Do you children live around here?
Yes, we do. Our house is all the way down this path.
Let me see. Oh, dried persimmons, anyone?
Wow! Dried persimmons! Thank you so much! It's good! Granny, are you traveling somewhere?
Oh, I almost forgot. I'm looking for an oak tree. Is there one around here?
Oh, an oak tree? Hey, guys, isn't Squirrel's house an oak tree?
Hey, Granny, come with us. We'll show you.
Oh, thank you, my dears.
My delicious giant acorn. Tra-la-la-la-la. And it's all mine.
Granny,
Over here. Who's there? Oh!
Look.
The little pheasants! Hey, guys!
Hey, Squirrel.
How are you?
Let me see. It should be here.
Huh? What? What's in where? Huh? Whoa!
That was a close one.
Oh, thank you, Granny.
Huh? Huh? It's here.
What's there, Granny? Someone's been measuring their height here.
Yeah, and they must have been a little kid.
True. Just your size and playful, too.
Do you know who that child was, Granny?
I do. And I'm going to visit her today. Would you like to join me?
Yes, we would!
All right, children. Then follow me.
Okay!
It was here somewhere. Oh, it's still here.
Whoa! What is that thing, Granny?
All right, now climb inside.
Huh? You want us to climb inside?
The little child and I used to ride this boat home together.
Wow, looks fun! Wow, I wanna ride!
Ah, now get ready for a ride.
Yeah!
Everyone hold on tight.
Wow!
Oh my goodness.
This is so much fun!
Huh? What? What's that sound? Children.
Mommy!
Wait, that's a rubber shoe. Where did you find it?
Granny Bird found it and gave us a ride.
Oh, my. That was rough on an old bird.
Oh my! Aren't you Mrs. Wagtail?
Who's this?
It's me, little Flora.
Oh, you're Flora? I can't believe it. You're all grown now.
Yes, it's been such a long time, Granny.
It's really you, isn't it?
Mommy, do you know Granny?
Yes. When I was little, I used to ride on that rubber shoe with her all the time.
Wait, you mean the little kid in the story was you?
Oh, yes. She was a little rascal who was always running everywhere.
Oh, that was ages ago.
Yes. I remember how you loved dried persimmons. Oh. And I brought some for you.
Oh, you did remember. I've missed these.
Hey, I like persimmons too, you know.
Well, I have an idea. Why don't we all share?
Yay! Yes, please! I'm Sparrow! Chirp, chirp! Hello! We're little pheasants! Did you come here to play on the slide? Chirp, chirp!
Yeah, Sparrow. Do you want to slide with us?
Really? Chirp, chirp! Can my friends go on the slide too? Of course, they sure can. Hey, you guys! Come on out! We get to slide with the little pheasants! Whoa, what happened?
Oh, Squirrel. Why do you look so down today?
'Cause today is my birthday, and I don't think anyone knows Mrs. Flora.
Well, how about just the two of us celebrate?
Yeah, but I wanted a big party, and all my friends celebrating with me.
I see.
There are too many of them.
And they're noisy too.
Hey, let's just go on the seesaw.
Yeah, good idea. Jack and I will be on this side.
Let's go!
Hey, look at them on the seesaw! That looks sweet! Let's first. Let's just go on the merry-go-round.
Okay.
Merry-go-round, here we go! Hey, let's play together, little pheasants! Let's play, little pheasants!
Not again.
Merry-go-round, let's go!
No, Sparrow!
It's too fast!
When my children get home, we'll have a great big party together.
Little pheasants. They don't know it's my birthday either. I bet they're having fun at the playground right now without me. Mommy, the sparrows, there were so many of them, and they were so loud, we couldn't play.
Sparrows? Oh, children! You've brought so many friends for Squirrel's great big birthday party.
It's Squirrel's birthday today? Really, little pheasants? You did that for me? Aw, you guys are the best friends ever.
What are we playing now? Happy birthday, Squirrel! Happy birthday to you! A birthday party?
Uh-huh. We're going to throw a birthday party for Squirrel.
A birthday party? Let's sing the birthday song! The birthday song!
Now, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
So many friends are celebrating. This is my best birthday ever.
Here, subscribe to our channel.